Morning routine. Plucking cherry tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, the seeds Ruchi had brought from Assam. There are two kind. So because they are indigenous seed, they are very good for health. So having a few like fruit in the morning is very good for us. However, the way we begin is that these are neem leaves. So I chew up on some neem leaves, good for my teeth and good for my immunity. So I chew on a piece of aloe, I peel it, I take out the gel, and I chew on a piece of aloe. So the next what I take is rose. So this is a desi rose with fragrance. So either I make water out of it, like sun warmed water with roses and a few of the herbs, or I can actually chew the rose in the morning with some nimbu pani, or with, for example, this is a tangerine. So this we can also consume the peel. So I squeeze the juice in the water and the peel, and I chew up both. So we do not add white sugar to any of our water. We either put jaggery or we put honey, but honey should not be used in hot water. Always remember, either warm water or cool water. Or we can use any other natural sugar. Or we can use a little salt, which is your black salt or your rock salt. So any little pinch of natural salt if you don't like it that way. So then a decoction is what I do make. So in the decoction, to save time, I put a little of everything, some lemongrass, one or two leaves of this punarnava, a carrot flower, some carrot leaves, then amaranth leaves and even the amaranth seed. Then this is your Bhui Amlaki Philanthus niruri. Then this is your Changeri oxalis. Then this is your dandelion leaves. Here, dandelion leaves, yeah, these. A few leaves and also the root if you have it. Then, of course, the rose petals. These are macoy leaves, and these are macoy seeds, and jade leaves. Jade. So, this can be added to your decoction or just stewed up like that. So, this is your some young chrysanthemum leaves. This is your marigold genda leaf. This is your Pathar Chata Panfuti leaf. Then Nirgundi leaves, a few, 2, 3. And this is your Vasa leaf, 1 or 2. And then we have drumstick leaves, a curry patta leaf, 1 or 2. Mint leaves and tulsi leaves. So this is shatavari. Fresh shatavari can be eaten as salad or even added to decoctions. And then these are dry ingredients that can be added to decoction, which is your cinnamon, clove, turmeric with a little pepper, ginger, flaxseed, methi seeds. So garlic is pungent, you can have it separately. Even this kalonji seeds, if you don't end up eating, you can put it in your decoction. So this is your, so you can add your lemon peel, lemon with peel along with in the decoction, or crush it up fresh. Lemon, tangerine, orange, any citrus can be taken along with it. Boiled, of course, lemon, the juice loses its vitamin C if you put it in hot water. So you would like to cool it down a bit. So this is your giloy, very important. Giloy or guruchi or Tinospora cordifolia must add to any decoction. Very good for general immunity. So this I've put the giloy in a glass and it has actually caught root. So I use about a finger length. Cut it up, sort of peel it a little, scrape it with the knife, then crush it a bit and add it to the decoction. So stay healthy.